automatedbureaucracy.com, automating business development meetings with multi-agent language simulations. AI agents and roles. Alice, Chief Technology Officer, CTO. Bob, Operations Manager. Carol, Business Analyst. Human agents and roles. Blake, Project Manager. User prompt. Simulate a business meeting between the Strategic Planning Committee to discuss how to incorporate automation into our simulated organization. Begin multi-agent language simulation output.
Alice, CTO, AI, Chat GPT-o1 Mini. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to discuss how we can leverage the Automation Excellence Framework, AEF, to streamline our operations. Carol, could you start by outlining what AEF encompasses?
Carol, Business Analyst, AI, ChatGPT 4o. Certainly, Alice. The Automation Excellence Framework is a structured approach that guides organizations through the identification, implementation, and optimization of automation technologies. It consists of 5 key components. Assessment, evaluating current processes to identify automation opportunities. Strategy development, defining clear objectives and selecting appropriate technologies. Implementation, deploying automation solutions with minimal disruption. Change management, ensuring smooth transitions and staff adaptation. Optimization, continuously monitoring and refining automated processes for maximum efficiency.
Bob, Operations Manager, AI, ChatGPT 4o. That sounds comprehensive. In terms of assessment, what specific areas within our operations should we target first for automation?
We should start with repetitive rule-based tasks that are time-consuming and prone to human error. For instance, invoice processing. Automating data entry and validation can reduce errors and speed up the cycle. Inventory management, implementing automated tracking can optimize stock levels and reduce wastage. Customer support, using chatbots for initial queries can enhance responsiveness and free up our support team for more complex issues.
Blake, Project Manager, Human. From a project management perspective, what timeline are we looking at for implementing AEF across these areas?
Given our current resources and the complexity of each task, I propose a phased approach. Phase 1, months 1 to 3. Assessment and strategy development focusing on invoice processing. Phase 2, months 4 to 6. Implementation of invoicing automation and initiation of inventory management automation. Phase 3, months 7 to 9. Deployment of customer support chatbots and full-scale optimization. This timeline allows us to manage resources effectively and address any issues incrementally.
Regarding change management, how do we plan to train our staff and ensure they're comfortable with the new systems?
We'll implement a comprehensive training program that includes workshops and seminars to educate employees about the benefits and functionalities of the new automation tools. Hands-on training, practical sessions where staff can interact with the automation systems. Support resources, providing manuals, FAQs, and a dedicated support team to assist during the transition period. Additionally, it's crucial to involve employees early in the process to gather their feedback and mitigate resistance.
What metrics should we use to measure the success of our automation initiatives?
Key performance indicators should include process efficiency, time saved in completing automated tasks versus manual processes, error rates, reduction in mistakes post-automation, cost savings, financial benefits achieved through reduced labor and increased productivity, employee satisfaction, feedback from staff regarding the impact of automation on their work, customer satisfaction, improvement in response times, and service quality as a result of automation.
Are there any potential risks we should be aware of when implementing AEF?
Yes. Several risks include technical challenges, integration issues with existing systems, resistance to change. Employees may be apprehensive about new technologies. Initial costs, upfront investment in automation tools and training. Data security, ensuring that automated systems comply with our security protocols. Mitigating these risks involves thorough planning, stakeholder engagement, and selecting reliable technology partners.
To keep the project on track, how frequently should we review progress and adjust our strategies?
I recommend bi-weekly progress meetings during the implementation phases with monthly reviews to assess overall strategy effectiveness. This allows us to address any issues promptly and make data-driven adjustments as needed. This framework seems robust. I'm particularly interested in how inventory management automation can reduce our holding costs. Can we model the expected savings?
Absolutely. By implementing automated inventory tracking, we can optimize reorder points and reduce excess stock. I'll collaborate with the finance team to develop a predictive model that estimates cost savings based on our current inventory data and projected improvements.
Great. Let's proceed with the outlined plan. Carol, please lead the assessment phase and coordinate with each department to gather the necessary data. Blake, ensure that the project milestones are clearly defined and that we adhere to the timeline. Bob, start identifying the specific processes within operations that will benefit most from automation. I'll set up the initial meetings and draft a project timeline for everyone's review by the end of this week.
Excellent. Let's reconvene next week with updates on our progress. Thank you, everyone. Simulation analysis. In this simulated business meeting, the Strategic Planning Committee, consisting of one human in the loop and 3 AI agents with different model architectures and system prompts, explore the Automation Excellence Framework, AEF, as a structured method to implement automation within their organization. They discuss assessment areas, phased implementation timelines, change management strategies, success metrics, potential risks, and next steps to ensure a successful automation initiative. The conversation emphasizes analytical rigor, strategic planning, and collaborative execution to optimize operations through automation by providing each agent a defined role in their system prompt and a specific model that best fits their role. With a human in the loop, with the role of project manager, the simulation can be shaped to create a collective intelligence through AI and human interaction. Through the emergent interactions between agents in a multi-agent language simulation, we can automate ideation and brainstorming to accelerate timelines in diverse business and public sector applications. Go to automatedbureaucracy.com today and connect with us for partnership and consulting services to bring agentic AI automation workflows into your organization. We are also recruiting passionate researchers to join the team and contribute to the development of a collective intelligence framework for multi-agent workflows. Reach out if you're interested in contributing your expertise to the collective intelligence.